Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house, and right now Sun is moving in your ninth house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your lawyers, your advisor is also seen from ninth house, your long distance travel, your religious matter, your pilgrimage related matter, your higher education is also seen from ninth house. So right now your ninth house lord is also moving in your ninth house. Ninth house also deal with your luck related matter and your fortune related matter. So we can expect in the month of September you may have good result regarding your ninth house related matter, regarding your fortune related matter, regarding your father's health and relationship with your father in the month of September, because your ninth house lord is moving in your ninth house, but your seventh house lord and 10th house lord Mercury is also moving in your ninth house in its retrograde motion. As we discussed previously, ninth house also deals with your luck, and 10th house deals with your career, your workplace, your work environment, your authority in life, your authority at your workplace. Your co-worker is also seen from 10th house. Your fame is also seen from 10th house, and also Mercury also control your seventh house. Seventh house also deals with your fame, your relationship, your marriage, your business partnership, your relationship in general is also seen from seventh house. Your commitment, your legal bindings also seen from seventh house. So right now your seventh house lord and 10th house lord is moving in your ninth house into retrograde motion. That's why we can also expect positive result regarding your work related matter. You may get fame, you may get good result at your workplace in the month of September, because positive result regarding your work related matter as well in the month of September. Also Mercury controls your seventh house, and seventh house deals with your relationship, your marriage related matter, your business partnership, your partnership in general is seen from seventh house, as we discussed previously. Right now your seventh house lord is moving in your ninth house with ninth house lord, so we can expect positive result regarding your marriage related matter and your relationship related matter in the month of September. If you are looking for a second marriage, then we can also expect positive result for you people in the month of September, because your seventh house lord, which controls your marriage, your relationship, is right now moving in your ninth house in retrograde motion, and ninth house also deals with your second marriage. So we can expect these results from Mercury and Sun in the month of September for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your sixth house and your 11th house, and right now Venus is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Cancer. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional network circle, your elder siblings is also seen from 11th house. Your gains, your hopes and wishes, your profits in life, your professional network circle is also seen from 11th house. 6th house deal with your court case, litigation, arguments, fights. Your hidden enemies is also seen from 6th house. Your daily routine, your disease pattern is also seen from 6th house. Actually, acute diseases are also seen from 6th house. So right now your 6th house lord and your 11th house lord is moving in your 8th house, and Venus is also moving in its retrograde motion till 3rd September 2023, as Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion till 15th September. So we can expect in the month of September suddenly you will get some benefits, some promotions and some good result regarding your work related matter and your achievements as well, because your 11th house lord is moving in your 8th house. 8th house deals with sudden events, sudden positive event, and sudden negative event is also seen from 8th house. But right now your 11th house lord is moving in your 8th house, so we can expect positive result regarding your in-laws related matter, regarding your gains, sudden gains, regarding your money matter in the month of September. Also Venus controls your 6th house, and 6th house lord is moving in your 8th house, and 6th house is the naturally malefic house, and 6th house lord is right now moving in another naturally malefic house. So we can expect you may get good result regarding your court cases, regarding your hidden enemies, regarding your competition in the month of September, because negative cancel each other out. And right now your 6th house lord is moving in your 8th house, so we can expect positive result for you people in the month of September regarding your 11th house related matter and your 6th house related matter. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Taurus. Means right now Moon is moving in its exalted position in your 6th house. The positions of planets you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology in today's world. Because in today's world everyone wants the materialistic things, and these houses are deal with spiritual things, these houses deal with hidden studies, these houses deal with secrets. So that's why we call them a naturally malefic house. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially problem, difficulties and issues will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. But right now, around 6th, 7th and 8th September, moon is moving in your 6th house, and your 6th house lord is moving in your 8th house, as we discussed previously in Venus section. So we can expect positive result around these days in the month of September. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 5th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Virgo. 12th house deal with your spirituality, your isolation is seen from 12th house, your donation, your long-term investment is seen from 12th house, your privacy, your bedroom, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house, your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Fifth house deal with your love relationship, your engagement, your fiance, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your fun activities also seen from fifth house. So right now your fifth house lord and your 12th house lord is moving in your 10th house. So we can expect you may have good result regarding your work related matter, as we discussed previously in sun section, in Venus section, because your fifth house lord is right now occupied by Jupiter and Rahu, and right now your fifth house lord is moving in your 10th house, and 10th house lord is moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with fortune. So that's why we can expect positive result for you people in the month of September regarding your work related matter, regarding your authority at your work. But you need to be take care of your anger issues in the month of September, because after 17th of September, when sun will move to your 10th house from your 9th house, sun represent ego and Mars represent anger. So you need to be careful regarding your anger related matter at your workplace in the month of September. So we can expect these results, all the planets for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of September. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of September. We discussed previously, sun will move from your 9th house to your 10th house on 17th September 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 8th house in its retrograde motion, as we discussed previously, and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023 and will come back to its direct motion on 4th September 2023. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 5th house and is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your 9th house and will stay retrograde till 15th September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in our early prediction video in detail. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant, then you can check my early prediction video and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Sagittarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.